Hey everybody, today I want to walk you through how to set up Morevago, which is a fantastic social proof software to allow you to display testimonials, reviews, just purchase confirmations, kind of whatever you'd like on your website in a very clean way that allows social proof pop-ups or notifications to show up across any page of your website. And I've seen a vast increase of conversions, of sales, pretty much everything across the board, just because my customers are seeing real-time testimonials that are popping up. It's visibly catching, but still basic, not disturbing, and it doesn't mess with the design of your site, and it's not attached to the direct sales, so you get to customize exactly what it's saying and exactly what it's look like. And I just wanted to walk you through exactly how to set up a campaign. So once you sign up, I'll put a link in the description below, so that way you can go ahead and grab your 14-day free trial of Morevago. And the prices are amazing. You will not find a cheaper, more affordable social proof software. So once you sign up, get in the dashboard, there are three different things. There's the campaign, which is just kind of the overall really the overall campaign. The notification is the little pop-up in there, and the notification is what is displayed on the page, the actual thing that pops up. And the campaign, activate the campaign, is the final third step that you do. And I'll walk you through all three steps. So when you click campaign, I'm just going to show you a campaign I've already set up. When you click campaign, you go ahead and name it and tell it what domain it's going to be on. It's not necessarily the exact URL. It's just the root domain from my experience. You go ahead and name it. Notification interval is how long the notification stays up. Blur is the transition. And then once you set that up, then you get to go and set up notifications. And so what a notification looks like is you go ahead and design the exact notification. You go ahead and upload a picture. If you have permission, use somebody's face. That is by far the best way. Secondary would be a map of their location or something similar, but ultimately test whatever you want. You assign it to the campaign. In this case, it's my little Facebook ads offer I did for my group. Go ahead and put their name in there. So the top row is going to be their name, and then the location. So it'll say Matt, comma, from Colorado. And then underneath that in the second row, it'll tell you the time they purchased around the notification, as well as whatever message. So you can say kind of a purchase confirmation. In this case, they're crushing their ads. Or you can say something like a direct quote from them. I saw a 10x ROI from this product, or 5-star review, or this product helped me triple my sales. You know, that type of stuff. And so then you just go ahead and click save, and it's as easy as that. And then we're going to go head back over to the campaign that we set up, and then we'll select the notification that we want in there. And then I prefer the bottom left. I just think it's the least intrusive. Coordinates is kind of the exact position. You can customize colors. I like just leaving them pretty basic, so that they pop out but don't go crazy. And then when you click Save Campaign, then this will pop up. Then this is how you activate. So go ahead and, super easy, right? Click the button, copy to clipboard, and then you take this script and so you go ahead and copy this script, and then for me, I like to use ClickFunnels because it's very easy. I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to check this out as well. But then you go ahead and you just edit your page, and you can install this on any page, on any website that you'd like. And so for me, I'm going to head over to tracking code, and I found it works best when I put it in the footer code. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paste it right in there. You can see mine's already in there. It's the easiest. Drop it in there, save your page, and then when you go back out and you view the actual page, then what you'll find is the little notifications start popping up right there in the bottom left. And you'll see, so if somebody is on this page and they're thinking about buying, they're ready to buy, they're putting their information in, anything like that, then they start seeing reviews and testimonials of other people who have affirmed it. Obviously a lot of times in conversion, when we're talking about conversions and split testing, we don't want to steal people's attention away from what they're doing. But in this case, you're catching somebody's eye and giving them additional reasons to go back. You're encouraging them in the process where they're at, which makes it such a powerful software. And really installing it and setting up is as easy as that. So I will leave a link for both of these softwares in the description below. You can get free trials for either one. Both have a 14-day free trial. Both are amazing value. But don't miss out on this great offer of Morevago. And if you jump in, they have a killer affiliate program as well, 50% payout, which is really amazing. But anyways, I hope you found this valuable. I hope you take advantage of this amazing software. You do not want to be the last one using this. It'll work for local businesses, online, information, e-commerce, you name it. It is a great fit. But until next time, happy marketing, and I will see you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment below. So happy marketing, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.